Hello, good morning, and I am Shravan, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews. We are at TCL booth, and we have here.
I'm SNEC.
Hi. Could you please quickly say us what is really new for you at today's show?
Okay, thank you. Welcome to TCL. So TCL can provide our N-type single technology modules. So firstly is TOPCon technology, and secondly is the single technology, and thirdly is the G12 wafer. For these three kinds of technology, we can produce modules with higher efficiency and higher power. And for with the single technology, which is the specific technology for TCL, with this kind of technology, we can produce the modules with no gap design, which can bring the graceful appearance for our modules. And with our special design, we can also we can also let our modules with lower micro crack and hot spot risk.
Okay.
And
So this module comes with 23.2% efficiency, and top power rating is 730 watt. So this is the toppest module from shingle?
yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.